the TCMA Award winner of 2023, ladies and gentlemen. Please put your hands together for Mr. Chip Darby.